Alright guys, first of all, before the video starts, just want to say a quick sorry to all of you for not really giving you any content for the last 2-3 weeks. Myself, I've been in France, Ricardo and Matt have been looking for jobs and things like that, because unfortunately we can't just get given money. So yeah, hope you enjoy the video, and yeah, hopefully more videos will be coming out as and when we can get around to doing them. So yeah, bye.
Today, we're here in a new car. You can't guess what it is yet, but we're going to be doing a radio install. Before you ask, it's raining, it's Britain, deal with it. We're here in the brand new Fiat Bravo Mark 1 edition.
Did you do that intentionally?
Yes,
Such a twat.
the camera did just drop. How we got a car like this, I have not got a clue.
It's my grandma's.
It's been turned on, and as you can see, it opens, but it doesn't turn on. You know, so we take it out, and we've got a really expensive radio back here. Cost £10.
15.
Sorry, £15. We're not expecting it to be very good, but it'll be better than not working. So first thing you do, get your removable keys, and you're gonna find these little metal things, the little clips. I put it in, and it goes like that. In theory, I could just do this now. Oh my god, it's coming out already. I'm getting good at this. It's not like I've tried 100 times already. Yeah, this is not like the 100th take, guys, I promise. So, we've gone for that, disconnected it, so use it as a paperweight or something, probably hold quite a nice bit of paper down, you know, and fish all the wires and bits out. So, after cutting and connecting all of these, using the tools as we showed, oh, that's a bit loose, that's fine. So yeah, we crimped all these in, cutting and crimping, so you'll be able to see all that. And now it's coming to the moment of truth. So you make sure your antennae bit is out of the way, and you get your other cables. Don't ask me what they're called, they're just cables.
I think it's ISO leads, isn't it?
ISO leads or something like that. Get your fascia, feed your fascia in first.
You forgot the useless wire.
Yeah. Before you ask, still, I ain't got a clue what this is. So, hopefully it won't make a problem. Get your fascia, click your fascia in. Anyway, get your radio, get your antenna piece, or your antenna, yeah, that thing, and that can go like that. Get your wires, stuff them in there like a small child, and get that to line up with that. Once that's clipped in, we're going to just tuck those wires in. Can you do the honours? Check if it works.
Pass me the camera and put it in.
Now hopefully, if we've done this right, it'll work.
Fuck. So what could it be?
You're the car man.
When I was trying to put the lights in, I blew a fuse and it stopped everything. Where's your fuse box?
Might be down there. I don't actually know.
Hold that back. Nope. Check on inside of that one. So open the door and just check on the inside. It might be there.
There's
Is that
nothing there.
Is
I
that
don't know
it
if
there?
this panel is it?
It could be the panel.
I never screwed it.
Bear with us. Good news, we found the fuse panel. It's down there. Now to work out which one's it. It is. Luckily, we got a book. So
Grandma treated this car well.
we got the book and reverse light, brake light, cigarette light. Oh, cigar lighter. Light.
Yeah, I've got.
The light. Oh yeah, and the cigar lighter. Yeah. Ah, sound system. A3. Where is A3? EA. Underneath. Further along from the top.
This camera work is astonishingly good.
We'll just get it out.
A3.
A3. So further along from the top on the panel on the bottom.
This panel.
Yeah. It should be a 20 amp, I think.
20 amp. I was going to sit there. Yeah, I am going to need these.
Most of the time you do.
Third one, yeah?
Yeah. Just remember, keep the power off when you're taking fuses out, guys.
That's the one.
Is it broken?
Yeah.
So we might
it's
not be
gone.
that shit.
Well, we are because we managed to blow a fuse.
Brilliant. Well,
What are you pointing at me for?
I
You're
wasn't
the one that
pointing
cut
at
into all the wires.
you.
so now we've got to work out what don't we need. Don't need an airbag.
Oh, I've only got one. I've only got this one, everyone else is buggered. So, yeah.
You need the lights, don't you?
Yeah.
Hazard lights? No one uses them.
Door.
Door.
Hang on, my central locking is on the same fuse as my sound system.
Oh god. Oh, good old Fiat. Cellular phone? I don't think you got one of them, do you? Horn?
Automatic gearbox. Don't have one of them. Let's take that fuse out. Oh god, that's 80. I'll just fry the entire system. Heated mirrors. What's that? I don't have heated mirrors, but maybe there's a fuse for it. C6P.
I don't think you got that.
I don't think I have that one. Where's C6P?
On the right hand side, right at the bottom.
No, I don't have that entire panel.
Oh god.
Okay, what could we take out?
That's obviously the fancy car panel.
So, after a long time reading, just because I'm not very good at reading, we're going to just take out the heated mirrors and heated rear windscreen for now, just to check. Not that it's steamed up or anything.
Oh fuck.
But yeah, we're going to take that out and just test it works. So,
Steamy.
and then we'll have to go shopping to get some
More.
fuses.
When's Halford shut?
6, I think I said.
It's 5:10.
Oh, we could probably make that.
What one was it?
A15, bottom right hand corner. Yeah, A15. These books, modern car people or car makers, please supply with books like this.
It was a 30
When
one, yeah?
Yeah, yeah. When I blew mine, when I blew me lights, I had to go online, truck through loads and loads of pages to try and find anything worth reading.
Well, I think that's in.
Is that it? Oh!
Oh! It's come on! Oh shit, I didn't turn the ignition off. I'm messing around with fuses and I got...
Oh, Elliot.
It's your life.
So, does it work?
it might just be in standby mode.
on. Oh, oh, oh!
Oh, get rid of that. That's grim. Oh god, are there any safe stations on it? Oh god, oh right, okay, that's the bass tuner.
Add some bass.
That's the bass to that. per capital. See if it'll get that.
Well, it depends. So I need to make sure there's no copyright.
No Mars, 24 karat magic on Capital.
Yeah. Okay, copyright. So, that worked.
High five.
Oh, it says goodbye when you turn it off.
That's pretty good.
Well,
Last thing to do, I think, is just to push every... Oh, God,
Wait,
the fuse on top.
Shitty fuse.
Oh, God.
What are you doing?
it's not very nice.
Doing it one-handed.
Oh,
Yes.
now, that looks a lot better.
Only took us a couple of hours.
Now it's time for donuts.
Oh, we've already had them. It's disappointing.
Well, that was disappointing.
Anyway,
I've got to put this fuse box back on. Box outside.
we're going to clean everything up. So guys, we've just gone and got some fuses and a little phone holder for Elliot's car, and yeah, the Bravo is starting to get there. We've already changed the mats, and so the Bravo is going to be, just making sure I can get out, black, as obviously, and green are the colours you're going for, aren't you?
Yes.
Obviously you can tell that the radio is blue, but that's because it was a cheap, fucking hell. That was because it was a cheap one, and it's just being
It's
used.
a little temporary one.
Yeah. So it's just something there to get the time going. So we're going to head back and sort some bits out.
Replace that fuse.
Yeah. And make sure everything is okay. So again, thank you for watching, and like, comment, rate and subscribe.
Don't do that.